गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं 9 gold medals by David Lee Roth. But before giving you the explanation of this poem, let me tell you the central idea of this poem. 9 gold medals is written by the American poet David Lee Roth, and it is a poem that inspires human compassion and cooperation. This poem conveys a great message to the humanity that the world now needs no more competition but more cooperation and collaboration. Now, let me tell you the difference between cooperation and collaboration. Both are related to goal orientation, but collaboration is to work together with somebody in order to achieve a single shared goal. Single shared goal. And cooperate means to work with other people by achieving one's own goal. तो दोनों ही गोल ओरिएंटेशन पे हैं, बट एक में एक गोल होता है अपना या दूसरे का कोऑपरेशन में, लेकिन कोलैबोरेशन में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, सहयोग करते हैं किसी एक सिंगल गोल की अचीवमेंट के लिए. So this poem teaches us the word collaboration, cooperation plus collaboration, one single goal. That is the central idea of the poem 9 gold medals. This is very much relevant in our times when people have forgotten to help one another in an unhealthy rat race in every aspect of life. हम लोग दौड़ रहे हैं, आज हम दौड़ते जा रहे हैं, क्या पाना है पता नहीं, लेकिन दूसरे को हराना है. तो हमारा मोटो होना चाहिए कोऑपरेट करके कोलैबोरेट करने का, यानी हमको तो जीतना ही है, लेकिन इससे दूसरा कोई प्रभावित ना हो कि हम किसी को गिरा कर, किसी को मार के आगे ना बढ़े, बल्कि हमें लगता है कि उसे हमारे कोऑपरेशन की जरूरत है तो हम उसे कोऑपरेट करें. और अगर कोई अच्छा गोल हमें अचीव करना है तो हमें कोलैबोरेट भी करना चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द पोम. द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेंजा is the athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. The athletes, they have come from different countries, from different direction. So this, tells you about the setting of the poem, where the poem is set. The place is the venue of special Olympic Games, where the athletes from all over the world have assembled at the venue of the competition. For what? To run for the gold, for silver and bronze. Whatever race it is, the athletes, they are going to run for the gold, I mean to achieve gold medal, silver medal and bronze according to their ranks. Somebody is winner, somebody comes first, somebody comes second and somebody comes third. So according to the position, they will get their prizes. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. And these athletes, they have sweated for weeks, for months. They have undergone a very tough training. They have practiced for achieving gold, silver, and bronze for weeks, for months. And after a lot of hard practice, after weeks and months training themselves for this event, they have come to participate in the Special Olympics. The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. You here at this point, you can also think of some event at school. Just try to think when you were very excited. The athletes were running on the fields and you people were cheering. Come on, Rahul. Come on, Sanjay. Come on, Diptanshu. You can win. You can do it. Maybe they're cheering for your house. रेड हाउस विल विन, ग्रीन हाउस विल विन, येलो हाउस विल विन. तो ऐसा स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड में बहुत देखने को मिलता है. और जब व्हेन यू चीयर ना, यू यूज टू बूस्ट द एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. तो ये सेम थिंग ग्राउंड में भी दिख रही थी. स्पेक्टेटर्स जो होते हैं ना, दे प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. दे सिट ओवर देयर एंड दे चीयर फॉर देयर country, they cheer for the young people, they cheer for the young athletes. So here the same thing could be seen. Now, there was a great excitement among the crowd to watch the world's best athletes competing for the medals so in large stream. Who will come first? Who will come second? Who will be the winner of the race? So many questions, big thing. So there was a lot of excitement among the spectators, those who gathered around the field. Now there was large stream of spectators presented at the ground to cheer the participants of different events. अब बहुत सारे events थे, 100-meter race, 200-meter race, hurdles, other. They were cheering the players and enjoying, and it continued throughout the day. अब ये events एक ही दिन में नहीं खत्म होने थे. So they were cheering throughout the day, keep on cheering the players. Now it was time for the final event of the day. अब पूरे दिन में जो final event था, ध्यान रखिएगा, this is very important. Many a time the board asked the question, what was the final event of the day? So they were cheering to their athletes. But when it comes to the end of the day, they all were eagerly waiting for the event of the day. And the day's event, the special or the last event, the final event of the day was 100-meter race. People were very excited. They were eagerly waiting. See, the spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching, and the final event of the day was 100-meter race. For that 100-meter race, excitement grew high to begin. They were very excited. Now let's move to the next stanza. The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them. The 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 resolved athletes in back of the starting line. Poised for the sound of the gun, the signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. Maybe some of the lines may differ from your textbook lines. So the blocks were all lined up for those. For different athletes, the participants, for different participants, different blocks are there. So the blocks were all lined up for those who would use them. The 100-yard dash. First of all, what happened? From the loudspeakers, the names are called. The names of the athletes, they are called, and they stand behind the block. They cannot cross the block. So the names were called first of all from the loudspeaker, and they all lined up the blocks they were going to use. The 100-yard dash means the 100-meter race to be run. These were 9 resolved athletes. 9 young athletes stood there determined. Resolved means determined in back of the starting line and poised for the sound of the gun. So when the names were announced, those who are going to participate in the race, all these 9 participants, they were very determined to win the competition. They were standing up at their starting point, means at the starting blocks. They were all set to start at the sound of the gun. Sound of the gun means this is a signal. रेस के शुरू होने के पहले एक पिस्टल होती है, उसमें वो गोली नहीं भरी होती जिससे somebody could die, तो हवा में वो पिस्टल फायर की जाती है और उसके जैसे ही उसका साउंड होता है, जैसे ही एक्सप्लोजन होता है उसका, और एथलीट्स भागना शुरू कर देते हैं. So they all poised themselves. Poised means they have taken their position for what? For the sound of the gun. Okay, as soon as the sound will explode, they will start running. The signal was given. Pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. थोड़ा सा आप अपना जो बुक का टेक्स्ट देखेंगे, मेरा हल्का सा डिफरेंस है. Here the stanza says the signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners on hearing the sound. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered. Stumbled and staggered. जब आप disbalance होते हैं, when you are running and all of a sudden you get disbalance, that is किसी चीज से टकरा के, किसी चीज पे फिसल के, कोई चीज चुप गई, that is to trip and almost fall. तो फिर भी लड़खता, जैसे आपने देखा होगा छोटा बच्चा एक चलना सीखता है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द चाइल्ड स्टम्बल्स, staggers, then fell. And this is a learning stage. छोटे बच्चों में learning stage होती है when they are learning to step. So he fell on his knees to the ground. तो पहले वो थोड़ा सा डिसबैलेंस हुआ, ऑलमोस्ट गिरने लायक, फिर वो अचानक से अनस्टेडी हो गया और वो गिर गया. So stumbling is a thing or a state that comes before staggering. So he may trip or he had something which made him stumble, he staggered and fell. So all the runners who were to run the race had stood on their tracks waiting for the pistol to explode. And as soon as, the signal for starting was given by the firing of the pistol, this was a signal that was given by the firing of the pistol. Signal de diya gaya. All the participants in the race started running as fast as they could. Competition, it's an open competition. They all started. The signal was given, the pistol exploded. See, word to word. And the youngest among them stumbled and staggered. Youngest among them, out of those 9 participants, the youngest one, सबसे छोटा, सबसे कम उम्र का participant, the youngest of the participant in the race lost his balance. He stumbled, the youngest one, and staggered. He got this balance and fell on the ground. And he fell on his knees to the ground. Now, he fell on the ground. The event of falling down of the runner during a race was unexpected to everyone. Because generally what happened, it doesn't occur in a race. It is not frequent, but sometimes it happens. होता है कभी कभी. So he fell, he stumbled, he disbalanced, he lost his balance, he tripped and become unsteady, and then he fell. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it's a strange one, but here's what occurred. Now there is a turning point in the story over here. Now let us see what comes after. The scene is that of the final event of the Olympic Games. The final event was going on, this 100-meter race. Now let me assure all of you that what happened next was a real thought. It doesn't happen. You would have never witnessed such thing in your entire life. Something very strange happened. ऐसा जल्दी देखने को नहीं मिलता. यहां से एक नया टर्निंग पॉइंट लेती है हमारी ये स्टोरी, जो पोएम के थ्रू poet tried to convey all of us. So let us see what is the turning point. Now, impossible in today's competitive world, something that is beyond our expectation, something that is next to impossible in today's competitive world. हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. So let us see what the point says. He witnessed as he was telling the readers about the incident. The runner who fell down uttered a moan cry of frustration and sadness. See the word frustration and anguish. Anguish is extreme unhappiness. Or extreme happiness, anguish कब होती है? It is related to physical unhappiness and mental unhappiness also. When you are going through a period of conflicts, you have physical injury, anguish. किसी ने आपको चोट पहुंचा दी, आपके फादर ने आपको 2-3 थप्पड़ मार दी, you got angry. जब अंदर से बहुत वो लगता है कि अब ये चीज हो नहीं पाएगी या ऐसा क्यों हो गया. So the word which we use is anguish, not anger, but anguish. So he gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. The runner who fell down usually moaned cries of frustration and sadness. He gave out a cry. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. हम ये जो word use करते हैं, dash in the dirt, this is a phrase that everything got shattered. खत्म हो गया, सब चीज खत्म, devastated, over. His dreams means the athlete, the participant who fell, his dreams of winning gold devastated. All his hard work, hard toil, weeks of hard work, practice for months, all dashed in the dirt, all devastated, or it got shattered. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt, but as sure I'm standing here telling this story. The same goes for what next occurred. Now, what next occurred? This was due to the fact that he had fallen down in the race. His dreams of winning the race had also gone shattered. It had also wasted all the efforts and hard work he had put in to win the competition. Let us move to the next stanza. The eight other athletes stopped to their tracks. The ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they turned around and ran back to help him. The eight other runners pulled up on their heels, the ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. To his feet means all of them. They helped him to get up. One by one, the one who fell, 9 participants were there, the one who fell, he was helped by the other 8 runners. One by one, they turned back and went to the athlete who had fallen down. They helped him to stand up. Though they had spent a lot of time and efforts on these training, they did not hesitate to stop running to help the injured athlete. Up, keep in mind that competition is on. Have you ever witnessed such an event? Even at school level? कि भागते हुए अगर 9 लोग हैं, एक गिर गया तो बाकी 8 वापस आते हैं, उसको उठाते हैं. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखा, लेकिन डेविड रॉथ had given a lovely description. This is what makes the poem unusual. Such a helping nature. They have forgotten about the competition. And see, name क्या है competition? ऊपर बैनर भी लगा हुआ है, Special Olympics. See, this is the speciality. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels. One by one, they all turned back. They helped the fallen athlete whose dreams were shattered. And they did not hesitate to stop running to help the injured athlete. This is what we call empathy. When you feel कि if it happens to me, what I would have felt. अगर मेरे साथ ऐसा होता तो मैं क्या सोचता. मैं गिर गई होती और आगे सब दौड़ते हुए चले जाते, तो मन में आता कि किसी ने भी मेरी हेल्प नहीं की. बट बाकी 8 ने ये महसूस की. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एम्पैथी. उन्होंने महसूस किया, वापस लौटे एंड ब्रॉट द यंग बॉय टू हिज फीट. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट stanza. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued the 100-yard dash, now reduced to a walk, and a banner above that said, Special Olympics. Special Olympics could not have been more on the mark. ये एक लोगों ने जो विटनेस किया था, स्पेक्टेटर्स ने, एक अनयूजुअल बिहेवियर था. और सिग्निफिकेंस देखिए, यहां पे एक वर्ड यूज हुए, जॉइन हैंड्स. ऑल ऑफ देम जॉइन हैंड्स एंड अ बैनर. इसमें जो वर्ड्स आए हैं इस टेंस में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स हैं. And a banner above that said Special Olympics. Why? Because Special Olympics were the Olympics where only the physically challenged people were allowed to participate, not to make these people feel underprivileged. ये जो Special Olympics जो कंडक्ट हुआ था, इसमें केवल वही पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं जो लोग फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड होते हैं. So this is only for the physically challenged people. They are only allowed to participate. Kyun? So that they should not feel underprivileged. And that is why this Olympics were called Special Olympics. दिव्यांग हिंदी में हम लोग यूज करते हैं, एक वर्ड है दिव्यांग. Now let us come to the explanation part. So after helping the fallen athlete to get up, all the 9 athletes joined hands and started walking together towards the finishing line. Now what happened next? The 100-meter race had now been reduced to a walk by the athletes. सबने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ा और चलना शुरू कर दिया. Why? Because the boy was not able to run. तो सबने अपनी दौड़ छोड़ दी, हाथ पकड़ा और सब जा रहे हैं जो विनिंग लाइन है, जो फिनिशिंग लाइन है, उस तरफ. So this running reduced to a walk. You know, the poet mentions that there was a banner hung above the racing track which said Special Olympics. And he further says that the placement of the banner could not have been more appropriate as the athletes has displayed the value of true sportsmanship. See the line? Could not have been more on the mark. No other place was appropriate, I mean, this much appropriate, where right now the banner of the Special Olympics was hung. Why? This has proved to be a true Special Olympic. These 9 participants, the 8 participants showing empathy to the youngest one, together all the 9 participants walking towards the finishing line. The banner above them said Special Olympics cannot be hung than more appropriate position as it was right now. Now, because they all were walking together to the finishing line, because of the injured athlete, he was not able to run. Now come to the finishing stanza. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals. Remember, they were walking, not running. That's how the race ended in 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still and a standing ovation, and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will. All the athletes walked down past the finishing line while holding their hands. The race ended and all of them were awarded a gold medal. Means each of them were awarded gold medal because they came to the finishing line together at the same time holding hands. And a standing ovation, 9 beaming faces. When the audience saw the noble gesture of the athletes walking together past the finishing line as one of them was injured, they gave the athletes a standing ovation. Standing ovation when you stand up and you clap, when you stand in honor of somebody. तो उन्होंने ऑनर किया, जितने भी स्पेक्टेटर्स थे उन्होंने स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन दिया टू द 9 beaming faces, 9 proud faces. ये जब हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं ना, बीमिंग फेसेस, व्हाई वी यूज दिस बीमिंग फेसेस? A spark could be seen, the spark of proud. That proud feeling comes to your face when you do something good. क्योंकि स्पेशली ओलंपिक्स था ही इसी काम के लिए कि nobody should feel underprivileged. Nobody should be deprived of the right of living. और इस चीज को आज हमने देखा फील. We witnessed such a event. So the words written on the banner, it came true. People witness this unusual moment, said more than these words ever will. And their behavior, this unusual thing which we witness, the spectators witness on the ground, this was the thing really we want in the today's world. Empathy, cooperation, collaboration. I hope you would have loved the explanation of the poem. So with this, I end this video. If you have enjoyed, please like, subscribe and share my video. क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye everybody.